Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2020 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a Mojave Silver Metallic. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one is equipped with the Airmatic suspension package, which is going to give you air suspension. For wheels, we've got 19-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A Macchiato Magma Gray MB Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, you've got a trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A set of new floor mats. Fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Also, we've got a nice natural grain burl walnut trim. Heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our new touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. We've got two dual 10.25 high resolution screens. Push start ignition. New to Mercedes-Benz is our Mercedes-Benz user experience, which is our artificial intelligence. You can give it simple voice commands as, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how can I help you?
Turn on heated seats."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
So as easy as that, you're able to give it voice commands while driving. We've got navigation. A rear view backup camera. This one also comes with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you parking sensors in the front, side, and rear. Dual climate controls, ambient lighting, a wireless charging port, USB port, our key and cup holders, our new touchpad key for our multimedia system. This GLE has 3,047 miles on it. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.